Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, you guys are going to be officially introduced to George. George and I both used to own Ecoboost Mustangs, as some of you may know. George's had a big turbo upgrade. Mine, of course, you guys know, did not. But when we both decided it was time to upgrade out of the Ecoboost platform, he went one way and I went a completely different way. As you know, I have the 2019 Chevy Camaro SS1LE. George went the direction of the 2019 Mustang GT Performance Pack 2. So since both of us have had our vehicles for a couple of months now, we're going to take a drive in each other's vehicles and see what we think. So he's going to drive mine, I'm going to drive his, and we'll see how it goes.
Be back in a minute. Here we go. Kristina the Mustang.
Again. It's so different than mine. God.
Oh yeah.
I want you to drive mine because it just feels different. Actually bigger than mine, so it feels different.
Is it?
Turning too. Yeah, I've got a smaller steering wheel.
You can actually stay in second all the way there.
I know. I'm trying to try it out a little bit, but yeah, second just.
Yeah, it goes perfect. All the way. Yeah, for this place, it's just the right setup. So brakes, then off, then kind of go in, and then get on the gas fairly easy, and then off, brakes. And then turn in, and then ease out.
I'm just swinging it wide over there too.
Yeah. All right, so brakes. Because go in slow, turn in hard, and then turn again. And then you want to sort of just feel it.
A little bit.
Yeah, feel it, then turn in.
See, I remember you told me the exact same thing in my Ecoboost, but I can feel it more in these cars.
Yeah, the promise is that you're too like rough at the entry, and then you lose a little time slowing down to get back going.
Brake here.
Yep. Then off, turn in, and then turn in again. Ease on the gas a little. Ease in, and then turn in.
And then gas.
And then gas. And then brakes. You want to brake earlier, brake hard. Line the car up, and then kind of ease in, and then just press the gas to get out, but like easing out of the gas.
Yeah,
see, that's much better line.
Yeah. Yeah, that definitely feels better.
It's just a better line. Yeah. That's all it is. But you're doing pretty good. I mean, from where you started and the car was sideways, this is like so much better. And
helps that we have a car that grabs.
Yeah, for muscle cars, they do like so good. And then just punch it, and then brakes. You're gonna almost blow it. Oh, there you go. Good brakes though.
Yeah, they are. Brakes work well.
Alright, just brake, ease in, and then slide the gas out. I really wish we had another shit handle. That sucks that we don't. Well, there you go. That was your first lap on the PP2 Mustang.
I like it. This is actually the first time I was planning on going and
never actually drove it, huh?
I never did drive one. I was going to. I went and looked at them, and then I ended up going and sitting in the Camaro.
You went and betrayed us, huh? That's what happened.
I did.
But you know what? It's a cool car. I'm not going to say it's not. It's a cool car. It's just kind of hard to see out of it. That's it.
You get used to it real quick.
Yeah?
Yep.
How are the mirrors? Are they like that big or are they smaller?
They're equivalent.
What about brakes?
You'll see.
Okay.
These are more rough. These are more...
It's more of a beast that you have to grab. That's what I read because I've never driven the SS.
Yes, that's definitely milder. Like,
right.
It has the power, it has the grip and all that, but it's like, not as aggressive.
Right.
This one definitely has more more bite to it.
And everything I read says that much. It's the Mustang. You might want to move out of the way.
Come here, driver. this clutch is just like how I was having the issues with Patrick's that day.
Yeah.
It feels like it never is gonna catch.
Well, it is kind of high.
But once you get used to it, it's fine.
Yeah. It is definitely a bit higher, I think. It took me a while to get used to it.
Yeah.
And then a few stalls, if I say so, but you know, it happens.
I keep looking for the electronic adjustment thing.
Oh, yours doesn't have, yeah. The Recaros is all manual.
Well, those are cars too, but they have the, I don't know what the difference is, but.
Oh, here you go.
Yay, that was fun.
That is different.
Yeah.
Sorry, but that might happen.
No, you're good. You're good.
Because your clutch is completely different than mine. You have to be a lot smoother to let it out. But the turning is really nice.
Yeah.
Also, your brakes feel different. It's like they're deeper.
Yeah.
Than mine.
I think they're a little softer too. I mean, they grip. They do good, but I think they're not as, like I said, not as aggressive, I don't think, as yours.
There they are. It takes me a second to figure where they are. You get so used to one car that when you drive another car, it's like, what's going on?
Right.
Sorry, you know, there's no ocean handle on that.
No, you're good. You're good. Anybody I trust to drive this car around this fucking thing right here, it's you. You know this thing a whole lot better than anybody else out here.
See how I'm coming in the turns?
Oh yeah.
Like smoother in. So then brake in, turn in. Brakes, turn in. Just get it to rotate.
This is a whole difference of driver skill is what we're seeing here. Okay? It's okay.
Feels good.
Yeah, the brakes are great.
Let's see. It's sliding a little there on the front, but not too bad. So turn in, smooth out with the gas. Turn in. Brakes, turn in.
Brakes!
Turn in. Just getting used to it. Turn it tight.
Right about here, Javi was going, this isn't even fair.
I think grip-wise we're not far away.
No, I don't think so. It's just a matter of skill. And you have more of that than I do. It's all practice.
See, it pushes a little there, but it's not bad. I think you might need a little bit bigger tires on the front to make it turn better.
Yeah.
But the actual lateral grip is pretty good. It just feels a bit heavy because of the tires not being wider.
Well, them tires you got on yours right now are ridiculous.
Yeah, they're insane.
They're ridiculous.
Sounds really nice.
It's gonna sound even better soon. I'm so
sounds
excited.
very deep. I like it.
Yeah, I know. I love that this is stock. This sound is stock. They do a good job with that.
Is this a track mode exhaust?
No, this is it's the more open exhaust for sport and track.
Gotcha.
So if you do anything but touring, this is where you get.
Yeah, great lateral grip. No, hard brakes. Turn in. A bit harder. See, it's pushing right there a little bit. I like it.
Yeah, me
Nice.
too.
I bet. Alright, serious question. You miss Ecoboost?
No. Honestly, no. But you had big turbo. I had stock turbo, so I didn't have the power that you had, honestly.
Let's see, the power in my Eco was about the same as my GT right now, stock.
I truly don't, though. I don't miss it. I like some of the sounds that made, but I like these sounds better.
I just want to know something, Kristina. What did your car make? What kind of sounds your car made?
Say it again?
Your car. What kind of sounds did it make? There you go. I smell brakes. I'm going to start slowing down.
Yeah, I smell them too. Marty would be puking right now.
Harder this time.
Oh, they're in hobby. Oh, and somebody else.
There it goes. All right. So those slides pretty controlled. So when I start, the slide is progressive. It's not like a snap slide. So that's good because then when you start to get in trouble, it's more progressive. It's not like, oh shit, I'm gonna be in a ditch.
Right.
But,
like I sometimes did with my Mustang.
I'm going for a second. Okay, market brake on. Okay, one last breath, just for. I like how the whole car moves because this is a bit of bigger engine.
Yeah.
So you break the tab and the whole car just shakes. Nice.
Thanks.
I don't know what would be faster. We'd have to like grab my hard to see what would be faster. That definitely feels more like you have to grab more like a beast.
Yeah.
This one is just like smooth, like clinical, like clean.
Exactly.
You can probably be faster in this car with less skill.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's smoother.
You don't have to tame it.
Yeah, that one you have to sort of be careful when you like really push it because it'll snap a little bit more.
Yep. I agree. That's exactly what I felt.
It's different completely because the pedals are so different. Those are a lot. There's more travel. So with mine, I'm used to like pressing to really get on the gas. Like I stomp it otherwise. This one I stumbled. I was like, oh, there's a bottom. Yep. Same thing with the clutch. When I released it a bit too hard. You saw that, and it was just like sunk.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hope you liked it. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think about the PP2. Let us know what you think about the SS1LE. Give us the like. Give us the comments. Subscribe. And let us know what you think. Which one would you choose? And why?